He lost everything, not because the market was unfair, but because his mind was untrained.
This is the part no one talks about. Not risk management, not indicators, but what you say to yourself in silence. This is the true story of a trader who found his greatest weapon, not in charts, but in his own voice.
Subscribe to this channel. This might change how you trade forever. He clicked buy, then held his breath. The setup was perfect. All signals aligned. But the candle bled red. Minus $200. Minus $850. Minus $1,470. His account drained like a neck wound. He wanted to hold just a little longer. But fear screamed louder than logic. Click. Exit. Done. Silence. Then, 30 seconds later, reversal. Candle surges back up. He watched in horror as the market reversed. It wasn't a bad trade. It was a weak mind. His reflection is on the black screen. His own eyes judging him. I can't win. I always mess it up. Maybe I'm not meant for this. He didn't know it yet. But the real loss wasn't in pips. It was in belief. How do you fight a voice that lives inside you? That night, he didn't sleep. The loss kept replaying in his mind. Like a broken record. Like a cruel joke. He scrolled mindlessly through his trading group. Charts. Memes. Arguments. And then, a message. From someone he barely remembered adding. No profile picture. No username. Just. GG. You don't need another strategy. You need a stronger voice inside. Say this every morning out loud. Attached was a file. Trader Affirmations, Mental Edge Protocol. Chuka stares. His fingers hover over the download button. He scoffed. Affirmations. Really? He wasn't into that motivational fluff. But something about that message. The timing. The way it pierced through his spiral. He downloaded the file. He didn't believe in magic. But what if his enemy wasn't the chart? It was the voice in his own head. Day 1. He stood in front of the mirror. No charts. No traits. Just his reflection and the whisper of doubt. I am calm. I follow my plan. The market doesn't control me, I control my reactions. It felt awkward. Embarrassing, even. But he kept going. He stared at the sticky notes on mirror. I trade without fear, I stick to my rules. He reads them aloud softly, his voice hesitant but steady. Day 3. He sat on his chair, ready to enter. A setup appeared, almost perfect. But something felt off. The old him would have forced it. Would have chased it. But this time, he waited. He trusted the voice that now echoed louder than fear. He leans back. Breathes. Doesn't take the trade. Chart drops sharply moments later. His face doesn't move, but his shoulders relax. Day 7. He took a loss and smiled. Not because it didn't hurt, but because he didn't panic. He followed the plan. He didn't just recite the affirmations. He became them. Journal entry shows, loss, -2%. Stayed calm. Follow the system. No regret. Mirror reflection again, this time, his voice firm and calm. Your edge isn't in the market. It's in your mind. The words he once mocked were now rewriting the voice in his head. Your edge isn't in the market. It's in your mind. Two traders. Same pair. Same chart. Same exact setup. But watch what happens next. Trader A bites his lip. FOMO kicks in. He enters early. Stops out in seconds. Panic. Regret. Anger. Trader B watches the same candle, but doesn't flinch. He breathes. Waits. Listens to the voice he trained. Same trade. Different trader. Not because of skill, but because of stillness. The market didn't change. But he did. He didn't let fear whisper this time. He spoke first. It wasn't magic. It wasn't hype. It was discipline disguised as words. Every morning, before the market opened, he didn't start with charts. He started with voice. Affirmations didn't make the market behave. They made him behave. They weren't a shield from losses. They were armor against panic. In a world of noise, affirmations became his clarity, his reset button, his secret weapon. Now he whispers it every day. Not because he's trying to win the market, but because he already won his mind. Do you want the full affirmation set that changed everything? Drop the phrase, Trader's Edge, in the comments. Give this video a like and subscribe to Coach Ifeanyi Uche channel, and turn your mindset into your greatest strategy.